How to trade CFDs on Exness. First of all, open the Exness app on your device and make sure you are logged in. On the home screen, tap on the Trade section to access the market. Here you will find a variety of instruments including CFDs on stock, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. Select the CFD instrument you want to trade, for example, gold or Apple stock CFD. Tap on it to open the trading interface. Next, decide whether you want to place a buy order if you expect the price to rise or sell order if you think the price will drop. Enter the trade volume or lot size you wish to invest. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risks and secure profits automatically. Once you have filled in all the details, tap on the confirm button to execute your trade. After placing the trade, you can monitor its progress in the open position section, where real-time profit or loss is updated constantly. When you are ready to close the trade, simply select the position and tap Close Order. Your account balance will reflect the profit or loss instantly. Now you know how to trade CFDs on Exness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.